Shut up. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to go down to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see. If you're returning, glad to have you back. Today we are going to be building a hog trap. We got some land, Lauren's family has some land, and they have a hog problem. There's so many hogs, I can't even keep up with them. I've shot one and they're just, I can't keep up with them. Hopefully we can trap some of the smaller ones. That way we can throw them on the grill, cook them up, eat them. I want to try a wild hog. I've never eaten a wild hog before. So I want to try eating a wild hog. But anyways, this morning I went and bought some angle iron, a hog panel, and we're going to go ahead and build this hog trap. I drive a Toyota Tacoma, so it has to be able to fit in the back of my truck. It'll be big enough to trap a hog. Probably be a one hog type thing. Hopefully we can at least get a one here and there, kind of help out. I'll post on the screen right now some pictures of the hogs. I went out and threw some corn on the ground, threw up a game camera, and within the next 3 days they just absolutely obliterated that corn. Some deer came in, but the hogs would pretty much kept running the deer off, so we need to try to get rid of some of these hogs. So I'll put some of those pictures on the screen right now for you guys to check out, and we get this welder set up, get the chop saw set up, and we'll get to cutting this metal and start building this trap. Alright, so we got the chop saw set up here. I got these pieces of angle iron. They're 1 inch by 1 inch, 1/8 inch thick, and they're 10 foot long. We're gonna go ahead and 45 the ends, so that way when we weld everything together, it'll make a perfect square. But anyways, let's get to cutting these up. Alright, so we're gonna get this welder set up. Already got the gas on. Turn the power on. And it's already set up to 1/8 inch metal, 030 wire. Pre-settings, we'll try them out. If we have to adjust a little bit, we will, but hopefully that'll work. So let's get this thing welded. Alright guys, so I got these pieces grinded down. I'm gonna go ahead and try to square this by myself and start tacking it all together. So shut your eyes. Go ahead and get a hood on, and I'll get it welded out real quick, and then we'll cut some of that panel, get that panel laid down inside of it, and then we'll just keep on building the next piece, one more piece like this, and then we'll have to cut the legs, and we'll have to put it all together and try to figure out what we're going to do for a door. So we'll get a hood on and get this all welded together. Alrighty, so we got all that welded out. Flip it over, weld the backside real quick, and then we'll just get right into cutting the hog panel out and getting that in. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I just marked out my length and width here, and then I'm just taking this straight edge, putting it up there, marking all the pieces, and then I'll come back through with the cutoff wheel, chop it here, chop it there, we'll move it over, set it in the frame, weld it in, and then we'll start building the next frame after that. So alright, moment of truth, does it fit? It does. It's a little warped, but we'll be able to flatten all that out. Alrighty guys, so I got the second piece built, just got all the legs cut, so we'll go ahead and get them welded on there. We'll get them tacked on there first, we'll get the top part put on, we'll get that tacked on, we'll weld all that, and then we'll start working on putting the paneling on the inside. Huh? This right here, that's called a tap. Just barely do that. That's a tap.
Stick?
Just to hold it so you can get everything. If you mess up, they're easy to break loose. Alright, so we got Lauren suited up here. We're gonna let her make the welds real quick. See how she does. Let me just hold that. Let me just over. Alright, right here. You just make a downhill weld. Just start right there on that corner and drag straight down that line.
Touching this one?
Yeah, you gotta put these two together. You got it?
So like start here?
Hold your gun here. Okay, hold
Touch
on.
it?
Alright, well no, don't press the trigger yet. Let me get my hand off of it. I don't have gloves on. And then you can go straight down that line, okay?
Okay.
You gotta hold it, you gotta get comfortable. You gotta be steady. Alright, go ahead.
Right?
Go ahead.
Nope.
Okay, that's enough.
What did I do wrong?
Oh, you went straight down like right now, and I'm pretty sure you welded that tip together. Good job.
Oh god.
Alright, let me get back to welding. Alright guys, so we got the top and the bottom all welded together with the legs here. It's all welded out. Now I just need to cut the hog panels for the side, the back, and the other side. With that cut out, with that welded all in, and then we will start working on the door. So let's get those pieces cut out. What's up guys? So it's been a few days since I last worked on the hog trap. I ran out of welding wire the other day, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go home, call it a day. But I'm back today. Got a new roll of welding wire. I've got a spring for the door. I grabbed my Miller Digital Elite welding hood because the other day, every time I'd flick that other one down, it was just too big for my head, so I'd flick it down and it would just fall off in the floor, really getting on my nerves. So I got my good hood out today. I've got some hinges, I don't know where they're at. They're somewhere around here. I've got some hinges for the door somewhere around here. But the plan is to wrap this up pretty quick, so the rest of this video is probably gonna go pretty fast. I'm kind of running on a limited time schedule right now because I need to have this down on the land this afternoon. So that means I gotta finish it up, run it down to the ranch, drop it off. Probably this weekend I'll bait it up and hopefully catch a pig. So anyways, let's get the welder, let's get the chop saw, let's get everything back out, and I will get to work. Alrighty guys, so I just got this piece right here installed, got the cage part on it. Now we just got to build the door here. So the way that's gonna work, basically, it'll kind of be at an angle like this, like that-ish. So when they come in, push open, they'll go in, and then that spring will pull it right back, and they'll be trapped in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the measurements for the door. I'll get that built real quick. We'll get it welded on, get the hinges. I still gotta find the hinges. I don't know where the hinges are at. They're around here somewhere. Get the hinges, get it all welded on, and we'll play with it for a minute, and then it's time to load it up, and I gotta get out of here. Alrighty guys, so I got the door done for the most part. I just need to put the hog panel on here. So we got a hook welded on there, a hook welded on there, and we got this spring And then right there I just put like a little stopper. And then right here you got your 3 hinges, 1, 2, and 3. What I'm hoping happens is they come up, they push in, they get inside, and when they're inside, boom, door slams back shut, and they'll be trapped in there. Whack them on the head with the old 22 and throw it on the grill and cook it up. I had fun building this hog trap, guys. I can't wait to try it out. Hopefully this weekend we'll get to run it through the paces. But unfortunately for you guys, that is not going to be on this episode. That will be another episode. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see me catch some hogs in the trap. But anyways, that'll be it for this episode, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.